We got until Friday. We are fine-tuning it. In fact, we may go for even something else together with the defamation.
So defamation lawsuit and something else.
Something, it could be another contempt based on the same statement. Okay?
Regarding the Altan Tuya matter in community.
Yeah, same one. All right, there are two courses of action separate. Okay?
The two courses of action that you're planning.
Yeah. One is defamation. The other is possibly even a contempt on the same statement that they made. You understand or not?
No, because is it as part of any ongoing proceedings regarding Altan Tuya?
No, because we are saying this in Altan Tuya. One is the case is over. Najib has not been implicated. Review has also thrown out the case. Najib has not been implicated. If Najib is not implicated, it is a fresh defamation for Tommy Thomas to say that I believe, he said this, he said he believed in the statutory declaration of the two police officers, Sirul and Inspector Azila. So what does it mean? Tommy is therefore saying, I don't care what the court decided. I believe these two, meaning I believe Datuk Seri Najib instructed the murder. That is defamation because this is a very unusual case. Normally you haven't proven and someone make a statement. Here the cases have gone through even a review. They lost everything. And Datuk Seri Najib not implicated at all. And yet you said you believe in the two officers who have been convicted. That's a fresh defamation. It's up to him to prove that my client is involved in the murder. It's going to be one uphill battle for him. Now, why it is also contempt? Because what are you saying to the court? You are actually disrespecting the court. You are telling the court, I don't care what you decided. You may be the court, but I don't care. I still feel that he is a murderer. That's a direct attack on the court credibility. 100 years from today, people will read his book. People will say the judiciary may have been corrupt in deciding like that. Because that's what Tommy Thomas is saying. Because he believed in the two and yet they were acquitted. They were convicted and Najib was never charged. He himself never charged Najib.
Even if the Altan Tuya murder case has been concluded at the federal court, you can still file this contempt of court proceeding?
Contempt of court? Yes, why not? Because he insulted the court. It's a fresh proceeding.
It doesn't have to be an ongoing...
No. If you say something that insulted the credibility of the court, that is scandalizing the court. You can say it 50 years from now, it is still scandalizing the court.
So one defamation and one contempt against Tommy Thomas?
Very, very likely. The defamation is definite. The contempt, 98% we are filing it. This week. We have to give him a show cause first. Okay?
That's
All right.
okay.
Okay,
Thanks,
thank you.